How are you today? Today I thought I won't do any introductions. I won't talk and tell you about me because within this small community, you probably know me by now. If you would like to get things done, be motivated, and explore your own potential, I would highly recommend and encourage you to join this community. You already know from the title that I have quit sugar and it's been almost 75 days and counting. So here's what I think about it. We are who we are. Food, or what we call as comfort food, is mostly what we relate to ourselves. The food we probably ate as a child, the food we grew up on, and the food we identify ourselves with. Food soon becomes habit. A pizza on Friday night, Maggie on lazy Sunday mornings, chips and cookies because you know what? I'm bored. I think it's a responsibility, now as adults, to make sure we have good eating habits and inculcate the same in our friends and in our families as well. We are definitely our environment. We can be easily influenced, malleable enough to pick up habits based on the environment we continue to keep ourselves in. Simple example can be how we litter our streets right here in India. And the same person us when we travel abroad, we will use the dustbins and keep the roads litter free. So if you're sitting around all day surrounded by chips, bhujia, and Swiggy, well, you know what's coming. Since we are always on automated mode, we barely think, or even if we do, it lingers only for seconds while we give away to our moods and habits. Replace junk food. Replace it with fruits and salads, and that's what you will eat, or at least try to. Black and white, or the concept of moderation, has never worked for me. I can resist a chocolate, but one bite and my guard drops. So I have found it easier to completely stop sugar. Not in cakes, not in fruit like bread and jam, not in cakes, not basically in anything. The only day I'm saving it, the next slice of cake is probably it's going to be for my son's birthday in August. I've also found it easier in doing things every day instead of once in a while. I can exercise if I do it every day. I can even eat healthy if I do it every day. I can learn something new if I do it every day. I am learning and I am changing. Do you need to quit sugar? Absolutely not. But you see, this is not about sugar, it's about anything you want in life. You just have to be very clear about what you want. And then rest is just keeping up with it. No moderation, no cheat days. You just do it every day till it becomes your lifestyle. So, what do you think? Do you think you're up for a challenge? Well, if you like the content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It's free. And thanks once again for joining today.